Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your Sari world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I'm very pleased to showcase a beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. All the saris in this video are hand woven, and the zari on these saris is pure zari. So let's get started with these kaleidoscopic Kanjivaram silk saris. We begin with a pretty pastel pink Kanjivaram silk sari with thread work. This sari has no zari in it. The body of this pretty sari is in a pastel pink and it has threadwork buttas in a deeper pink. This sari doesn't have borders but it has a deeper pink selvage which enhances the beauty of this sari. The buttas are closely spaced near the pallu and they are more spread out as you move towards the inner portions of the sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari has threadwork and it has seeper acre in thread in a deeper pink. This sari comes with a blouse fabric in a deeper pink and this combination of two shades of pink makes this sari very lovely. Up next we have a Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual shade which is known as Simha color. Simha is a lion and this color is a combination of rust, brown and little bit of orange. It's a very beautiful and unusual color. This is a Korvai Kanjivaram which makes it doubly special. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari has lovely zari buttas all over the body like this. And the border is a deep blue Korvai border and it has Pakshi motifs done in zari. This is a very rare and vintage color combination and I am sure you must have seen your mother or grandmother or aunt drape a sari in this beautiful combination. The pallu of this beautiful sari has elaborate work in zari and the motifs are pakshis and diamonds. This sari has a running blouse fabric in the same blue as the pallu and the borders and the combination of this beautiful simha color with the beautiful korvai borders and the gorgeous zari work make this sari the perfect sari for special occasions. A Kanjivaram silk sari in an auspicious combination of maroonish red and mustard is what we have next for you. The body of this beautiful sari is in a festive araka red and there are circular buttas in zari all over the body. The buttas are more closely placed near the pallu and they are more spread out in the inner portions of the sari. The borders of this festive Kanjivaram silk sari are in mustard and it has zari motifs of paisley, Rudraksha and Banaras motifs, that is diagonal lines. This sari has an elaborate pallu and the motifs on it are Mail Chakram, fish motifs and Banaras motifs. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same mustard as the pallu and the borders and this combination of araka red and mustard and the beautiful coin zari buttas on the body and the elaborate pallu make this sari an absolutely splendid and majestic sari. A Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari in an unusual combination. The body is in a combination of yellow and green which gives it a unique shade. This is a dual tone or doop chow sari and you can see some shades of green and some shades of yellow. It's almost like the new mango kind of shade that you see in the sari. The borders are Korvai borders and they are in maroon and they are interlocked to the body using the Korvai technique of interlocking. And you can see small needle-like motifs along the border. So it is a Musi vehicle that you find along this border. The grand pallu of this beautiful sari is in a festive araka and it has seeper acre in zari. This sari has a blouse fabric in the same araka shade as the borders and the pallu are. This combination of this unusual mix of green and yellow in the body and the araka korvai borders and the beautiful araka pallu and the blouse fabric make this sari absolutely stunning. A Kanjivaram silk sari in one of my favorite colors, pink, and this one has beautiful buttas on the body. This is an iron butta or 1000 butta in Kanjivaram in pink. The body of this beautiful sari are in a short peachish color and the motifs are in a deep pink. So it gives the effect of dual tone pink all over the body. The motifs on the sari are Mail Chakram motifs and this is a 1000 butta sari. The sari doesn't have borders but it has narrow zari stripes along the edges. This is the gorgeous pallu of this beautiful sari and it has a band of Banaras motifs and other zari lines which make the sari very, very beautiful. This sari has a blouse fabric in deep pink and it is one of my favorite saris from today's collection. Our collection of beautiful Kanjivaram silk saris in kaleidoscopic colors is available on our website www.kalpavastram.com. You can directly purchase these saris from our website. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.